Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and now enter Security. Go to Screen Lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. Now let's select password, and to create it enter at least 4 characters. Use it to unlock the phone. And now let's select PIN number. To create it enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, we can go to biometrics, and our first biometric is fingerprint management. Enter it, register, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face recognition, tap done, create, and now scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Swipe up and it's done. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.